Hello, welcome our Gearresearch channel. Today in this video, we are going to show some of the best kayak paddles for fishing that are best sold and reloaded in the last couple on Amazon. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1, Overmont Kayak Paddle, 90.5 inches 230 centimeters heavy duty. One of the best kayak paddles for the money and under 100 is the Overmont aluminum kayak paddle. For starters, the coolest thing about them is the fiberglass reinforced blades at both ends. To top that, they're attached to feather-shaped blades, complete with double serrated edge designs that cut efficiently through the water. What's more, the hollow aluminum shaft tube build allows you to zip through the water sans a lot of drag and flex too. What's really cool is that the paddle also features a lovely and visible color scheme of bright orange. But that's not all. The hollowed-out aluminum tube design also guarantees that the paddles float on the water and don't sink to the bottom to their weight. Finally, the kit comes with a free premium leash strap that ensures that your paddle stays attached to your kayak or you, no matter what. While you're at that, you also might want to check out the best kayak paddle leashes. The blades can be locked in 3 positions to maximize the output of paddling. Further, the hollow aluminum shaft tube keeps the paddle floating on the water surface in case it slips and falls in the water. On top of it, Overmont includes a paddle leash with this fishing paddle that allows you to pull it back to you, which makes this paddle perfect for beginners. Number 2, Poseidon Paddle, 89 aluminum shaft. An excellent kayak paddle for fishing? Check. Loaded with features? Check. Price under 100? Check. Offering excellent value for money for $50 is the Pelican Poseidon Kayak Paddle, which comes in 5 colors including the attractive blue, white, and red American flag design. The reliable and robust paddle is built for durability. The high-performing paddle features an impact-resistant fiberglass blade that enhances your kayaking experience. Moreover, the 2-piece aluminum shaft build is ergonomic and features a design feature called indexing. It's what promotes proper technique that prevents wrist fatigue while angling. What's more, the paddle even comes with fiberglass reinforced polypropylene blades and a push button for better performance on the water. Rounding up the features are the ergonomic grip for reducing tiredness and even hooks for picking up trash. Phew. For a $50 price tag, this is one must-have paddle on your gear list. The Assassin can take quite a bit of abuse without any risk of breaking. Add to the hook feature, especially useful if you're fishing with a net, and you have yourself a spectacular paddle. Number 3, Propel Paddle Gear Kayak Paddle. Although we offer plenty of amazing options for a variety of price ranges, this is one of the best kayak fishing paddles you can get if you're on a budget. Despite its low price, the Shoreline Marine offers world-class quality thanks to its extremely comfortable foam grips and drip guards. Transporting the paddle is also a cinch, as the aluminum shaft can be split in 2, allowing you to fit it inside a bag with no issues. Best of all, you can readjust the shaft in a variety of positions to suit your kayaking style and the water conditions, so once you buy this paddle, you'd best believe you won't be needing a new one anytime soon. Its paddle features a slender, superior blade designed to cut and propel you through the water with exceptional control and speed. If that wasn't enough, you'll also find that it has drip guards that help keep you and the gear dry. Besides being separated into 2 pieces for easy storage and transport, the paddle locks in 3 different positions. Number 4, Poseidon Angler Fishing Lightweight Kayak Paddle. Perfectly designed with high-angle blades that are short and wide to transfer maximum power on high-angle setup, Poseidon Angler Paddle is perfect for those who go frequent fishing sessions and have a wider kayak. Poseidon comes with an integrated hook retrieval system and a tape measure along the shaft for measuring the catch. The impact-resistant fiberglass reinforced polypropylene blades can be adjusted between 0 to 65 U and have drip rings that can be set according to the user for handy dry grip. With a shaft that goes a little oval from a round shape to guide you with the right place to hold, this outstanding paddle is the right choice to support your fishing sessions. The paddle even comes with fiberglass reinforced polypropylene blades and a push button for better performance on the water. Rounding up the features are the ergonomic grip for reducing tiredness and even hooks for picking up trash. Phew. For a $50 price tag, this is one must-have paddle on your gear list. The high-performing paddle features an impact-resistant fiberglass blade that enhances your kayaking experience. Moreover, the 2-piece aluminum shaft build is ergonomic and features a design feature called indexing. It's what promotes proper technique that prevents wrist fatigue while angling. Number 5 Best Marine Kayak Fishing Paddle, 98-inch. Featuring a super light construction that is sturdy and has the perfect length for the majority of wider fishing kayaks, Best Marine Kayak Fishing Paddle is one of the lightest fishing paddles on our list that is suitable for anglers who want to keep things as light as possible. Featuring a carbon fiber shaft and 2 durable ABS blades that weigh only 34 ounces, the paddle can be disjoint in 2 pieces, making it easy to carry and store. Along with light construction, Best Marine is integrated with 2 dip rings that prevent water from running down the shaft. Moreover, a hook retrieval notch and a small cutout on the left paddle blade help you remove lures from bad casts. As the strong adjustable ferrule lets you use this thing European style without worrying about it splitting in 2 at any point. Although this is more of a footnote, this paddle comes in a variety of eye-catching colors, allowing you to find the perfect match for just about any kayak. Although there's much more to it than just aesthetics. What makes this thing stand out are its peripheral features, such as the serrated teeth edge that lets you push yourself from a hard surface to give yourself a bit of extra momentum in a pinch. Despite the shaft being made of carbon fiber, you'll find that the Assassin can take quite a bit of abuse without any risk of breaking. Like, comment and share, please subscribe my channel, check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.